Dream. Well, that's a powerful word, isn't it? Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are having a great day and a great week. So today we are going to discuss the fact that you are alone in this world. Nobody is here for you. You have to hunt for your dream, for your goal. You have to chase it. Nobody is here to chase it for you. You are alone. Nobody is beside you. Everybody is living their life, is chasing their dream, fulfilling their goals, dreaming, doing what they really wanted to do. You have to do that too. You are alone. Everybody is thinking about their own. You have to think of your own. You'll get knocked down while chasing your dreams many times. You'll get knocked down many times. You'll feel like you don't have the energy to get back up. You'll feel like you don't have the strength to get back up. When life hits you, that is the time to hit back. That is the best time to hit back. People just quit at that time when they fall. Well, everybody knows that's when it's going to start. Failure, it's the first step. When you fail, well, you have tried, try again. When you fail again, well, you have tried, try again. That's the deal with it. People just quit when they get knocked down. They just don't hit back. Are you going to stay down or are you going to get up? It takes confidence. Well, it takes courage to get back up. Not everybody can just, when they knock down, not everybody can stand up again and do what they really wanted to do. It takes a strong mindset to get back up when you get knocked down, when nobody believes in you. Well, everybody have a lion inside of them, but some people decide not to let the lion out. Some people keep that lion locked in a cage. Are you hungry for your dream? Are you willing to fight for your dream? Well, if yes, then let the lion out. Be hungry for your dream. Being hungry is the only way you can succeed. If you're hungry, then you'll get to eat. If you're not hungry, you'll not get to eat. You'll not receive any food if you aren't hungry. Be hungry so you'll succeed. Everybody wants to succeed, but few are willing to work for it. Everybody, there's a famous quote that goes, everybody wants to eat, but few are willing to hunt for it. Well, in this case, everybody wants success, but few are willing to work for it. No one will believe in you. Doubters will say to be realistic, and haters will tell you to quit. Well, it's you, and you are going to go and get that dream, achieve that dream, make that dream into a reality. No one is believing you. It's your dream. No one is going to chase it for you. It's your dream. No one is going to believe in you. It's your dream. No one is going to understand your dream the way you do. No one is going to see it through your perspective. You are alone. That's sums up. No one is there for you. Sums up. You are alone in this life. No one is beside you. Stop limiting yourself. That won't take you anywhere. It's the one person required to just believe in your dream, that it's possible. There's only one person required to work hard to achieve your dream. My dear friend, that person is you. Yes, you are the only person who can do that. There are many people who lived before you, who have accomplished great things, who have accomplished their dreams. Just tell me, who is living their dream life? Who is living their dream life? Well, yes, no one is living their dream life because they've lived their dream life before. It's proof that you can do if you really want it, if you are really hungry for it, if you are willing to fight for your dream. You can hunt, you can live your dream life too. The people who have lived before you have accomplished great things in their life, have accomplished their dreams. Who is living their dream life now? No one. Because they've lived their dream life and they were happy for it. You just gotta believe in yourself. No one is there for you. No one will, everyone will say that we are here. No one is here. Trust me, you have to be selfish. A little selfish if you want to succeed. You are the most dangerous enemy to your dreams because only you know when to quit. Only you decide when to give up. Only you decide when to kill that dream and create another one. You are more powerful than you think. You are more powerful than you know. You can do anything. You can, change the world with your dream, with your perspective. But it only requires you to get out of your comfort zone. It requires you to unleash your inner lion. It requires you to let that lion out of cage and show it to everyone that it's my time. I'm gonna change the world now because it's my dream. I'm gonna achieve it, and I don't care what anybody says. No matter what you have to do it, you have to be a little selfish to achieve what you really want to do. Not everyone will be on your side. Maybe your most loved one who you really love and you are most close to will not understand your dream. Maybe that person will not support you. But you just gotta be a little selfish and achieve your dream. You just gotta be a little selfish. I'm repeating it again and again because you gotta be a little selfish to achieve your dream. Not everyone will be on your side. You don't have to go and apologize for them. For what? For dreaming? Because you had a dream? You're apologizing because you have a dream? No, you aren't gonna do that. Not everyone will achieve their dream because not everyone will work hard. You can achieve your dream if you have a weak mentality. If you are afraid of taking risk, dear friend, I am so sorry to tell you, you are not going to get any far with that mentality. Change your mentality. You should not be afraid of taking risks. Be a lion, never back up from a challenge. When everybody tells you, doubters tells you, when you go to somebody and they tell you that your dream is out of reach, well, they are small-minded people. Your dream may be out of reach of them, but you know better. So guys, this is gonna be it for this week's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We talked about not letting anyone set you down, not letting anyone knock you down. And if you're knocked down by life, you just gotta get up. It takes a strong mindset to get up. It takes courage. It takes confidence. Remember that. And hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Comment down below. Adios. I'm out.